Hello and welcome! For today's video, we have the Balanced Lifestyle Box. It is a quarterly box. This is the spring quarter. I am in the third wave that gets sent out, so I don't get my box until almost the end of the spring quarter, which is May. With that being said, if you like what you see today, we have a link in our description box down below that would save you 15% off of your first order. They gave us a bonus item from Allure. I guess the company is Borin. Anyway, it's a bonus item. It says don't use it if the box is opened. Well, the tablets inside look okay. The poor box, I think, just had a hard time, I'm presuming, in its travels over here because there were some heavy items in this box. Anyway, bonus item. I don't know if I'm going to use it or just pitch it. And it is stated that the claims that allergy pill makes are not evaluated by the FDA, just in case anyone was wondering. We have a $25 item. This is a very hefty bag. Unfortunately, it has lavender in it, so I am going to be passing this along. This is a bath soak to help you relax so you can sleep at night. Lavender and fresh mint. It has a suggested retail of $25, and I'm looking to see, this is from thebathologist.com, and I'm looking to see how much this puppy weighs, because she be a hefty one. She is 32 ounces. So there's definitely more than one use in here. Just unfortunate that I don't care for lavender. Next up from Mineral Fusion is a nail polish called Mint to Be. I thought that was a cute name for this nail polish. I use a gel on my fingertips, yet this could come in nice and handy on my toes in the summertime, if we ever get summertime. I know, I complain about the weather, but here she is, Mint to Be. And this has a suggested retail of $10. We have some frankincense. I think this is watered down a little bit. I don't think this is the full essential oil. It does, though, have a frankincense scent. That's a tongue twister. So this comes from Willow Collective. And it came with, in addition to the oil of sorts, it came with a cute little ceramic pot and 6 diffuser reeds. Yes, so you just pour in your liquid and the little reeds will do their thing and produce the scent for your room. Jeff is excited about this one. Yes, he was. He can't wait to get his hands on this. I think he's standing at the door waiting for me to hurry up and finish this video so he can have it. And the reed diffuser has a suggested retail of $25. And then with a suggested retail of $20, we have a guided journal. On this side it says My Truth. On this side, it says My Wisdom, and inside it gives you, I don't know if I can get this to balance. Help me out here, Fatima. That's a good girl. Helps to have a camel around. You get guided pages, and then it's set for 30-day segments, but they say that you can go by the month or whatever 30-day segment you choose, and it gives you a spot at the beginning to mark your intentions for that 30 days. And then at the end of the 30 days, a spot to mark your reflections upon what you wrote. So I thought that was neat and interesting. It's a good size. So I mean, it would last a while. Your 30 days doesn't have to be a calendar month. We are halfway through the box, and I think the two top items for the first half of the box are the nail polish and the scent diffuser. Comment on what you like from the first half of the box. And have you tried any of these? Because you know me, I'm the inquiring Carol that wants to know all the details. And now, moving right along with this video, Fatima is making good use of the water bottle that we have from Smart and Sass. Do it, drink me. I thought that was cute. So did I. Reminds me to drink some water. Yes. It's a glass bottle with a wooden top, and then it has a nice rubberized plastic around it and on the bottom, so that if you want to have ice in here, it's not going to get the moisture everywhere. I thought that was just too stinking cute. And it has a suggested retail of $16. Next is a product from Andalou. And I took the top off. There's a safety seal, but I took the top off so you could see it. It is a nice chocolatey brown color. This is the Avo Cocoa Skin Food Mask. I'm excited to try this one and put it in my facial masks battle. We have a whole playlist on that. Check it out sometime. This does look intriguing, and I'm not a big chocolate person. This looks intriguing, but this is not to eat. This goes on the face. Darn, I wanted a snack. Ay. And it suggested retail that I looked up, because they don't give us any prices, but I'm glad to look it up for everybody, is $10. Oh, economical if it works well. That is to be determined. From Heritage Store, we have 2 rose-scented products. And I believe I have one other product, I'm guessing from the prior box, from the prior quarter, that goes with this. I'm going to call it a set. These are sold individually on the Heritage Store website, but it would make a trio of items. So I'm guessing that since now I have 3, when the time comes, I can use all 3 together and see how items work in concert with each other from the same brand. We have a rose oil and a rose serum. The oil is 30 milliliters. The serum is 59 milliliters. And let's set them down before I drop them. Don't want to do that. And let's see what I found when I looked on their website. The serum retails for $22 and the rose oil retails for $18. So in this half of the box, what were your favorites? My favorites were the facial mask, and like I said, it was just too stinking cute. Do it. Drink me. Adding things up, this box totaled $146 of suggested retail value. I thought that was a good return on the investment of $54.99. And that is the monthly price. And signed up for an annual subscription. So that brought the price down to $50. And I think I said a month. This is a quarterly box. So $54.99 per quarter, or with the annual subscription, it is $50 per quarter. Shipping is free. You do have to pay tax. Can't get away from taxes. No, you can't. And so all things considered, I felt like I got a good return value-wise on this quarter's box. Have you tried this box? And what do you like? Let us know. And like we said earlier, if you like what you saw, there is a link in my description box that will save you 15% off your first box. Or you can check out a video that's popping up on the screen, or you can do both. Thanks for watching today. We hope to see you with another video. We have fun adventures over here. See you later. Bye-bye.